Hello everyone! So I shared how to make a braised beef shanks in previous video, and today I will share one of the ways that I like to enjoy this sliced beef shanks to make a beef wrap with the scallion pancakes. And I'm using the easier method to make these soft and stretchy scallion pancakes today. It is actually perfect wrapper pancakes that you can use to wrap any delicious meat or vegetables, or just simply enjoy as is. I will also stir-fry shredded potatoes to pair with the sliced beef shanks to wrap together. And those two are my favorite combination when it comes to beef wraps. So let's start with the scallion pancake batter. In a large mixing bowl, add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, give a mix, then add 2 cups of water. Blend flour and water into a cohesive mixture. Stir as well as you can. You may observe some flour lumps persisting within the batter, and that's perfectly fine. We will let batter sit for between 45 minutes to 1 hour after initial mixing, then come back to mix again, and at which point those residual lumps within the batter will dissolve. While waiting on batter, I will stir-fry shredded potatoes. Those are ingredients for shredded potatoes. Thai chili and Sichuan peppercorn are optional. It's probably a lot easier to use potato shredder, but I don't have one, so I'm using the old-fashioned way, manually shredded potatoes. So once the potatoes have been shredded, proceed to rinse them thoroughly under running water multiple times. The objective here is to remove as much starch as possible to get the final stir-fry crispy texture. Then add 2 tablespoons any neutral oil in the wok. Swirl the oil across the expanse of the wok, facilitating an even coating along the edges to prevent the shredded potatoes stick on the wok during the stir-fry. Then add in dry chili, Sichuan peppercorn, Thai chili, shallots. Quickly toss around a few times until you smell the aroma. Then add in white parts of scallions. Stir fry for a couple minutes, then we can add in shredded potatoes. Over medium-high heat, we'll stir-fry shredded potatoes. We'll combine shredded potatoes with all the spices for about 5 minutes. Be sure to consistently stir around, toss them around to prevent the shredded potatoes stick on the wok. Add ½ tablespoon of salt after 2 to 3 minutes stir-fry. One minute before finish cooking, add ½ tablespoon of black vinegar and turn off the heat here, continuing stir-fry, toss around a few times to make sure black vinegar is evenly coated with all shredded potatoes. Lastly, we'll add green parts of scallions, give a few more tosses, and then stir-fry shredded potato is done. And now let's get back to batter to make some scallion pancakes. Stir well first, then we'll add 1 cup of water to dilute the batter. We'll blend batter and water together, then we'll add minced scallions, also toasted sesame seeds, although toasted sesame seeds is optional. And now this batter is ready. Let's make some scallion pancakes. Over medium-low heat, lightly drizzle some olive oil on the pan. Then scoop 1 full ladle of batter on the pan. Quickly swirl around the pan a few times to allow batter coat around the pan evenly in circular motion. You may stop swirl around when batter stopped sliding itself. Allow the pancake to cook over medium-low heat for about 3 minutes to allow batter to solidify and sit before we flip it over to the other side. So cook 3 minutes on each side, then flip over a couple more times. When you see both sides have developed a light, crispy crust, and the pancake is a well-defined, soft structure, that is indication that its scallion pancake is fully cooked. These scallion pancakes possesses a remarkable softness and stretchiness, perfectly attaining the ideal thickness and the pliability to serve as impeccable wrappers. Before making beef wrap, let's make a dipping sauce for sliced beef shanks. We'll add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 to 3 mashed garlic, and 2 tablespoons minced scallions into a bowl. Then heat up 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil until you see the light smoke. Then pour hot oil over ingredients in the bowl, and this will coax forth an intense and aromatic infusion of the flavors from the spices. Of course, I must add 2 tablespoons of homemade chili oil. This homemade chili oil is to die for. Be sure to check out my video of homemade chili oil if you haven't. Then lastly, we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to mix well. Now that everything is ready, let's make a beef wrap. Grab 1 scallion pancake. I'm going to add a shredded potato first on the bottom. Then few slices of beef shanks, dip in the sauce first, and then place on top of a shredded potato. Doesn't this make your mouth watering? Gosh, I'm smelling it and looking at it. I am dying to have a bite. Final step, let's wrap it up. I can't wait to have a big bite. I mean, just take a look at this. Delicious beef wrap with shredded potatoes. Who would say no to this? I can't imagine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I certainly hope that you really enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Happy cooking!